हमने देखी होगी जोरासिक पार्क फिल्म और उसमें डायनासोर्स को नाचते हुए दौड़ते हुए देखा होगा। और उस समय के जंगल अगर होते थे तो साइकड्स के जंगल होते थे, सीड फर्न्स के जंगल होते थे। और उसी समय के ये फर्न्स जो हैं रेलिक्ट वेजिटेशन, और आज भी हमें कहीं ट्री फर्न्स साइथिया स्पिनुलोसा वगैरह मिलते हैं नॉर्थ ईस्ट में या ऊटी साउथ इंडिया में। लेकिन ये बड़ा यूनिक एक साइकड है, डायून। So this is unique with cone also, female cone. It looks, and it's a wonderful location where we can see the dinosaurs, triceratops, and many others which have roamed and dominated the earth for more than 20 crore years. And then they were hit by some meteor and change in climate. Ultimately they perished, and still we are able to collect fossils from central India also, and even from China, and we can see the connecting link between the reptiles and birds also. So some of the dinosaurs, they took to aerial life also, and they are considered as the modified dinosaurs, the birds which we are familiar with. We are seeing here the Silotum nudum, which is threatened lower pteridophyte. Silotum nudum is unique fern, alley, one will say. And even other ferns are well preserved, well conserved. And here we see Adiantum capillus veneris. And then this is another fern which looks like Nephrolepis. Even you have Tactaria species, and the unique Adiantum. These are more other species of Adiantum. Adiantum capillus veneris is there, and this is the fern house, well maintained. Certomium. I am able to see Certomium. It was Professor Harvinder Karan who first time introduced me to this particular Certomium species, which was growing in Punch along streams and rivulets. So it's also preserved here. Then we have Ophioglossum reticulatum. Ophioglossum leaves we are able to see. This is called a chonchur sag in Kashmir, and it is consumed as vegetable. So here you have single leaf. It's also called as adder's tongue fern. Ophioglossum is known for maximum number of chromosomes. So that is also under conservation and preservation in this fernery. Maintained by National Botanical Garden Research Institute. Perhaps this may be, if I am not able to see it, for this something allied to Tactaria or some other species. Then unique, this fern having the surai, they are in two rows on the undersurface. They are non-seed bearing vascular plants. And we have unique amphibious requirement of these plants, and Kasarod, Diplegium esculatum, which is consumed by the locals in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand and other locations. That is also from the same family. And today we have this is another Equisetum arvens. Even we have in Jammu Equisetum ramosissima, Equisetum devile, and here we see very unique Peperomia pellucida, which can be consumed as a herbal tea. And here we have the Adiantum. Many species and some other ferns are well maintained and preserved. But Silotum nudum, also popularly named as whisk fern. So this is unique and found in Panchmadi, central India, Panchmadi hills and Satpura, Vindhya mountain ranges. And in North India, in J&K or Himachal, we don't have this. So Lycopodium, I wanted to see, but Silotum, I will look for that if I am able to locate somewhere. This is unique fern, which is called as Dryopteris ludens. So see the how decorative the leaf is. They are palmately lobed and quite evergreen and elegant. This is a Blackenum species, Blackenum occidental. And then we also have, as in houses also, we can keep the fern foliage. They add greenery to the ambience, and we have Selaginella, many species of Selaginella, and this is a climbing fir, Lygodium contiguum, Lygodium japonicum, and these two species are found, and this is called Mahadev Jata, Shiv Jata Kakai, Mahadev Jata Kakai, are found in Mender in Poonch area. So this particular fernery is unique conservatory for preserving and creating awareness among the youth, students, scholars who visit the NBRI, and they see these different plants which once flourished on the planet Earth, and there was I think only the trees of these fern alleys. We had the pteridosperms, we had the tree ferns, and there were no seed plants. Before seed plants appeared, it was all the domination by these unique ferns, and even we see Tacteria fir, and there are more species which are maintained and quite unique, and I think everybody, if finds time, if he is visiting Lucknow, especially during National Wildlife Week, so these plants should be shown to the general public. Name is not important, but appreciating the diversity that nature God has gifted to the mankind, and how these plants, whether mosses or ferns or cycads, or they are playing an important role in ecology, and this is unique fir which I am able to locate here, but name I am unable to tell. I have to seek the help of some pteridologist. Earlier there was Mr. Pandey who was working on these ferns, but he is no more. Sadly, he has left for the heavenly abode. So otherwise he was working on these plants. And here we have the plant Microsorum Scolopendrum, something superficial resemblance with Scolopendra, which is called centipede Kandrai. So one can safely conclude that in Dogri we can call it as Kandrakal Kakai. And then this unique fern, and here we have the Microlepia strigosa, these the greenery Microlepia, and I could visit in Uttarakhand the fern garden near Ranikhet, and after that the second fern house which I am able to visit, that is in National Botanical Garden Research Institute, and this is the elegant conservatory for the preservation and conservation of ferns, and even fern alleys stands included like Silotum nodum. We are seeing the very critically endangered cycad of India, which has been named in honor of Chief Conservator of Forest, Madras Presidency, who worked in the South India, especially the Western Ghats. And this particular species, Cycas bedomii, honors Richard Henry Bedome, Chief Conservator of Forest, who was not only a botanist but even herpetologist, and even he many skinks, for example Ristella bedomii, even keelback, Bedome's keelback, named after Bedome. So even one particular Justicia bedomii is another plant, but this is unique, Cycas bedomii. Maybe a few hundred plants left in the wild in Andhra Pradesh. So we have another Cycas pectinata, we have Cycas anacalensis. This is unique and very critically endangered, also planted in Sir Jagdish Chandra Bose Calcutta Botanical Garden. So this is, I think, very good step by National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow, where they have taken special pains to conserve the germplasm regarding the threatened species of Cycas, a kind of gymnosperm. Cycads are also labeled as the living fossils because they originated somewhere in Mesozoic era. They have seen the age of dinosaurs, and now they are declining in the natural habitat. Many factors are leading to their decline in wilderness, maybe deforestation, road building, and some other even collection of seeds These plants don't have fruits, basically naked seeds, and they are also collected as food also by the tribals. So there are many factors which are leading, but this unique cycas bedomii is critically endangered and named in honor of Chief Conservator of Forests, Henry Bedome. So in Jammu and Kashmir we have Begonia picta, very common, which is used even in staining the palms by the ladies, along with the stems and leaves of Impatiens balsamana. But here we are seeing a very unique species, which is called as star begonia or begonia heraclifolia. A leaf has some superficial resemblance with the Heraclium candicans. So this is used as garden ornamental, but it is in the conservatory section where it is conserved. So this is a unique plant, Begonia heraclifolia, but basically it is native to Central America.